Have you ever thought about starting your own online business, but felt overwhelmed by all the options? Whether you're launching your first digital product, opening an e-commerce store, or starting a freelance gig, today we will discuss the basics you need to get started. And by the end of this video, you'll feel confident enough to take that first step toward building your dream business. Let's get into it. Imagine waking up and not having to commute to a job you don't love. Instead, you're making money from anywhere worldwide, be it your couch or a tropical paradise. That's the beauty of an online business, and trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems. By the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint to get started even if you have zero experience. First, we need to define your online business idea. So, you need an idea. But don't worry if you're still deciding. The best business ideas come from what you're already good at or passionate about. So ask yourself, what skills do I have? What problems can I solve? And here's a tip. Start with a niche you're interested in or have experience with. It's easier to market something you love or know inside and out, though this is not a requirement. For example, if you're great at graphic design, why not sell design services or digital templates? Maybe you're passionate about fitness. Consider creating an online coaching program. Your business idea is the foundation of everything, so don't skip this part. Now that you've got your idea, it's time to choose the right business model. Will you sell physical products, offer services, or create digital products like ebooks or courses? So here's a quick breakdown. Services. This is perfect if you have a skill you can offer like graphic design, copywriting, or coaching. There's low startup costs, but you'll be trading time for money. Products. If you're into e-commerce, you can sell physical goods through platforms like Shopify or Etsy. Just remember that inventory and shipping can add complexity. Now, digital products. This is the ultimate make money while you sleep model. You create something once, like an online course, an ebook, or even stock photography, and sell it repeatedly. The model that fits your lifestyle and skills. If you want a business that scales easily, digital products are your best bet. But if you love interacting with clients and want something hands-on, offering services could be your path. Once you know what you're offering, you must set up your online presence. This includes creating a website or social media profile where customers can find you. Don't overthink it. You don't need to spend thousands on a fancy website. To create a clean and simple site, use tools like the Entrepreneur Dream Platform, WordPress, Wix, or Shopify. Your website is your digital storefront, so it needs to be easy to navigate. And don't forget about social media. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn are powerful tools for attracting customers and building your brand. Post content that showcases your expertise and engages with your target audience. Now, let's talk about one of the most important parts of building your business, finding your audience. Many people get stuck here, but it's simpler than you think. Who are the people who need what you're offering? What are their interests, their problems, and where do they hang out online? You can use tools like Google Trends and Facebook Audience Insights, or simply engage with potential customers on social media to find out what they want. Once you understand your audience, tailor your content and market directly to them. Your business will grow organically if you connect with the right audience. And there you have it, the basic building blocks for starting an online business. Remember, it's not about having the perfect idea or plan immediately. It's about starting, learning, and adjusting as you go. So what are you waiting for? Drop a comment below about your business idea. And remember to subscribe for more tips on building a thriving online business. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up as it would help this channel tremendously. And hit the notification bell to be notified of when our next video comes out.